Kalon Warren, who the f else?
YouTube, what is up, guys? Today we're back at the Oasis. I'm here with Jimmy and Charlotte, taking down the bricks and reaping the rewards of our hard work. If you didn't see the last video, go check it out. Really surprised no one has skated this yet. We get to get the first tricks. Checking out the ledge up close. Here we go, guys. Came out perfect size for learning. We gotta get the first tricks right now. That was fucking rough.
Hours later.
Kalon Warren, who the fuck else? Bro, it's the ledge.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Oh. Ah!
Welcome to Skyplay Art. We're live.
Alright, this is how you're going down the Skyplay Art, is a put.
We're live right now. We got 900 views right now.
900 views, Callum.
All right, come on.
900 views?
Yeah, you gotta jump down. No. Everyone's commenting backflip or jump.
You good, man?
If they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
My heel's bruised. Something about it, dog. I know I can do it.
That shit was fucking ridiculous.